So I've been using the Mission Lane Visa credit card for a while now, and if you're trying to rebuild or build credit, you've probably seen it pop up. No deposit, no annual fee for some, and quick approvals, but what's it really like to use? In this video, I'll break down the actual pros and cons so you know exactly what you're getting into. The Mission Lane Visa is an unsecured credit card designed for people with bad credit, limited credit, or no credit history. No security deposit required. You can pre-qualify with no impact to your credit score. Reports to all three major credit bureaus. Credit limits typically start at $300 to $1,000, with automatic reviews for increases. There's even a cashback version available to some users based on your credit profile. Here's what stands out. No deposit. Perfect if you can't afford to tie up money in a secured card. Simple, clean interface. Their mobile app is highly rated and easy to use. Clear terms, no hidden fees, everything's laid out up front. Automatic credit limit increases if you make payments on time. No penalty APR, so your rate won't skyrocket after a late payment, though late fees still apply. And if you qualify for the cashback version, you'll earn 1% on eligible purchases, a rare feature in beginner credit cards. Now the flip side, APR is high, over 26%, so don't carry a balance. Some applicants get annual fees up to $59 depending on credit. Cashback version isn't guaranteed, only for selected applicants. No rewards categories or premium perks. No intro APR or big sign-up bonus. It's a good starter card, but not built for long-term rewards. Who is this card for? The Mission Lane card is ideal for someone new to credit or rebuilding from past issues, people who want an unsecured card without a deposit, users who want straightforward terms and clean mobile management, anyone looking to prove creditworthiness before upgrading to better cards. Avoid it if you already have fair to good credit, you qualify for better options, you want rewards, travel perks, or cashback categories. You carry a balance. The high APR will cost you. So, is the Mission Lane credit card worth it? If you need a simple way to build credit, don't want to pay a deposit, and plan to pay in full every month, yes, it's a solid, trustworthy option that gives you room to grow. But if you already have some credit history or qualify for cards with better rewards and no fees, you can do better. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff credit card reviews. Let me know in the comments. Are you considering Mission Lane or have you already used it? Drop your experience below. It helps others too. Catch you in the next one.